Hey everybody, welcome back to Venomous Garage. Today I did something really cool. I swapped out my steering wheel on the Viper for a Gen 5 ACR wheel, which is extremely rare, and we did the install at the house within maybe an hour's time frame. I'm not going to do a step-by-step instruction video on how to swap out the steering wheel. I believe Boosted Motorsports has a very in-depth install video on this Gen 5 Viper steering wheel swap. So, check out his channel to get intel on how to do this yourself. However, the only thing that I did differently was I used an actual steering wheel puller instead of the 3-prong grip to do the install, which I think it works a little bit better. Let's follow along the install process. I hope you enjoy this video, and I want to show you the before and after pics of the steering wheel install. Check it out. Two more, right? Perfect. Okay, back. There is something else. Part is just keep it spread in there, huh? Yep. So all the connectors are in. Alright, cool. Nice. Two bolts inside, check. So as you can see, the steering wheel has a flat bottom as well as a flat top. What's interesting about that is my standard Gen 5 Viper wheel does not have a flat top. So one of the benefits of having an ACR wheel is the real estate to view out is a little bit better. Simply because, instead of having an oval top here, it's flat, and you get maybe about an inch or so more clearance or visibility to the windshield. So that was pretty cool. But check out the carbon fiber bits that came with it. So that's pretty neat. The red stitching matches my car. The top dead center red matches my car as well. So I came across this just by a stroke of luck because one of my friends wanted to wrap his steering wheel in Alcantara. So I kind of wanted to do the same thing, but when I walked in, the gentleman that owned the establishment showed me that he had a spare ACR wheel for sale. So took the opportunity to buy it because, as you know, the Vipers have been discontinued, and when you place an order for a new steering wheel, who knows when those parts are available. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.